Vital Rich Concept, Branding and Packaging Mentoring for MSMEs. Today I'm going to show you how I came about the stick packaging for Gary. Welcome to my channel and thanks for tuning in. It is something you can do. It is so interesting. Don't forget to like this video, share this video wide, follow us for more tips on packaging, branding and growing your business. Do not forget to share this video wide so that everybody who needs it will come in contact with it. Like it, share it. Now, don't forget to place your order for our industrial nylons, which are good for all manner of packaging. Yes, get our WhatsApp number from our bio to order your lined surface sealer and the smooth surface sealer. Get our WhatsApp number from our bio. We deliver worldwide and throughout Nigeria and throughout Africa. We are also making available the hot gun sealer and the impulse sealer. Then get our course on branding, our 13 chapters full videos on branding your products. All these things you can place your order by getting our WhatsApp from our bio. Okay, going straight ahead into the business. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is to get the nylon, the industrial nylon, cut it out, measure it and cut it out. But meanwhile, I want to show you that all our industrial nylons are 7.5 inches in the width. Okay, now I need 28 inches length for my nylon for the what I want to package, because each row should occupy 7 inches. Then I add extra 1 inch to make it 29 inches. The next thing I'm gonna do is I cut it out with my pair of scissors. Then after cutting it out, I fold the nylon again. I fold the length into 2 again, because I'll be doing stick packaging. Stick packagings are always narrow, so for it to be narrow, I have to cut the nylon into 2 equal parts in length. Then I cut it out with my pair of scissors and go ahead to brand it. Wow, that is the outcome of our branding. That is why you should get our branding course, full video, 13 chapters video course. Whether you know how to do branding or not before, it will teach you everything you need to know. Whether you're a novice or have been into branding, it will just teach you everything you need to know about branding. So get our branding course today. You own it. It's something you download and own it to become your own for life. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is to tack the nylons. I've not started sealing yet. I'm just tacking. Why do I have to tack what we are doing now is very narrow. Okay, and again the nylon fold inside because it's actually meant for automated machine. But Vital Rich Concept discovered that small and micro businesses can also use this with the mini sellers. The Vital Rich Concept is giving you opportunity to use exactly the same nylon that big companies are using to package their products, and we invented this method for small and micro businesses. Okay, combining the packaging with industrial nylon and the mini hand sellers. 2 wonderful combination. So I'm tacking to help the nylon stand, since it's always folding inside. Remember, before you brand, get the side that is sealing. The 2 sides of the nylon do not seal, so that you can brand on the side that is sealing. Don't forget to tell us where you're watching this video from, so that we can give you a big shout out and tell you how important you are to us. Now, after tacking from the beginning to the end, the next thing I'm going to do now, I'll start sealing with my smooth surface sealer. You that is watching this video, don't be sitting idle at home doing nothing. All our videos are to empower you to start doing something and start generating income. The moment I finish sealing, the next thing I'm going to do, because I want to do back sealing here, I will push the sealing at the back and make sure my design is well placed at the front. Okay, that is called back sealing. Maybe in one of the future videos, I'm going to explain the full difference between the back sealing and the side sealing. So can you see I'm positioning the sealing at the back now, so that the front will not show any sign of sealing and all the designs will be showing properly in the front. Like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Then there's something I'm introducing today. What I'm introducing today is, when I finish arranging it, I will not seal the center. I will seal the I will not seal the end. I will seal at the center. The nylon is the nylon, the roll is 4, so that means I have 2 on each side. So I'll go and seal the center, so that I will add from one end and then add from the other end, unlike the way I was doing it before. Why did I do this? Because the what I'm selling today is very, very narrow, so I don't need to seal up one end and add from the other end. No, I sealed the center and add from both ends. So you can see now I'm adding the gari. If you have something like a funnel, it's better you use it to add your product inside. Okay, if you don't have a machine that will be measuring and adding for you, then you can use funnel to be adding and measuring. Okay, now as I am adding, okay, once I reach the allowance for the ceiling, I stop. That was how I know how I'm going to stop. But you please get a standard measurement for adding your product so that all your products will be equal. Okay, now I have added the other one. I'm adding the other one now. Okay, once I reach the allowance for the ceiling, I stop. I will know that I should stop adding now. Okay, so that is what is helping me to know where to stop. But like I keep on saying, always make sure you have a standard measurement for adding your product. Wow, I have sealed one side now. I started adding from the center. You can now see. I will now go over to the other side and start adding, just like you're watching it now. I hope you're learning something, and definitely I know you're learning something. Make sure you are empowered with our video, because with our video we encourage you to start business with little or nothing. Little capital or nothing. You don't need the whole money in the whole world to start doing something and being productive. Then your business will grow. Before you know it, you start buying automated machine and start packaging your product in a bigger way. But Vital Rich Concept is here to give you a very good start. Give it up for Vital Rich Concept. Give us a thumbs up. Tell us where you're watching this video from so that we can give you a big shout out. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, share this video to all your friends so that many more people will see what we are doing, and it will actually help them. And you're also helping us to grow bigger and bigger. Thank you so much for everything. All right, wow, I finished adding. Is it not looking beautiful? Is it not looking excellent? Don't you like this? Please try this at home and tell me how it came out. I know it will come out successful. Thank you for watching this video. Your business will always grow. You will always grow. Whatever the things you're doing will always expand and grow. Thank you for watching this video. Watch out for our next video, and God bless you.